Hello guys, and I'm gonna show you how to do the calculator trick. Well, the read my mind trick. First, what you want to do is just put press 1. I'm gonna say it. Press 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 and 9. It's like the number order, but without the 8. So then press the times buttons because you're gonna multiply. And let's say 54. See? I'll give you a closer look. Then, what you're gonna do is press the equal sign and then spin it, put it around and around, and then boom. There's your answer. Because 54 divided by 9 equals 6. Well, thanks for watching this video. Bye.